Today I'll walk you through how to create simple filters in Make, so you can control exactly which data moves through your automations. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Make. Log into your account so you're inside your workspace. From the left navigation menu, click on Scenarios. Here you'll see the list of your existing workflows. Locate the scenario where you want to add a filter. If you already have one, click to open and edit it. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new scenario and build out your workflow. Before you add a filter, you need two modules that are already connected. A filter sits between them, deciding whether data passes from the first module to the second. Click on the line that connects your two modules. You'll notice a small wrench icon appears. Click that icon and a menu will pop up. From that menu, select Set up a filter. The filter configuration window will open, and this is where you'll define your rule. Start by giving the filter a clear descriptive name. For example, you might call it New Customers, Approved Orders, or Valid Leads. This helps you remember what the filter does later. Next, click the first condition field. You'll need to select a data field from the previous module. Common choices include status, email, order total, or customer type. After picking your field, choose an operator that tells Make how to compare the data. You have options like equal to, not equal to, contains, greater than, or less than. Then enter the comparison value, the exact data the filter should look for. For instance, if your field is status, choose equal to and type approved. Only records with a status of approved will move forward. Let's try a couple more examples. If you want to filter by email, select the email field, choose contains as your operator, and enter at gmail.com. This will let through only Gmail addresses. For an order filter, pick order total, select greater than, and type 100. Now only orders over 100 will pass through. Once you've set your condition, double-check the field, operator, and value to make sure they match your intended rule. Then click OK or Save. You'll see a small filter icon appear on the connection line, confirming it's in place. Finally, run your scenario once to test it. Submit some sample data and watch how the filter handles it. If the conditions are met, the data moves forward. If not, it stops right at the filter. And there you have it. You've just created simple filters in Make to control your workflow with precision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.